Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial, and this time around I'm going to show you how to prove triangles are congruent. Okay, so what you see in front is an exam question from a school. Okay, and it goes, the diagram shows a rhombus ABCD. O is on AD produced such that AO is 2 times of AD. BO intersects AC and BC and F and E respectively. Show ODE and BCE are congruent. Okay. Let's label the two triangles first. ODE is this blue triangle, okay, and BCE is the other blue triangle here. Okay, so these blue triangles are the two triangles that you need to prove that they are congruent. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is to work on the diagram, meaning find clues in the diagram that will help me to prove that they are congruent. Okay. The first thing is this is a rhombus. It means AD, BC, AB, and DC are all of equal length. Okay, and then produce such that AO is 2 times of AD. AO is 2 times of AD. That means AD is to DO is 1:1. Okay, that means DO is also of the same length as AD. The next thing that's worthy for us to take note of is the presence of parallel lines. Because it's rhombus, these lines and these lines are parallel. That means I can see this one and these lines are parallel, and I've got one alternate angles here, okay, and another alternate angles here. Okay, so from here, okay, let's retrace our blue triangle, the triangle that we need to show that they are congruent again. Okay, it will be this one. Let's make it thicker, and this one. All right. So I can safely say that I have two lengths that are the same. Okay, I've got two lengths, DO and BC are the same, and then I can see these angles and these angles are the same, and then these angles and these angles are the same. Okay, now that you have worked it out in your head, just by looking at the diagrams and so on, how do you prove? Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how to prove they are congruent. Okay, so we're going to list down the features. Okay, I'm going to say angle DEO is equals to angle DEO is equals to angle CEB. Okay, CEB. DEO equals to CEB. Why are they equal? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so I'll first put down my reason. Second reason is angle DOE. DOE is equal to angle CBE. CBE. Why are they equal? Reason why they equal is they are alternate angles. Okay, so you have two angles that are the same. Now we are going to show one length which is the same. So because they say AO is equals to 2 times of AD, right? Therefore, AD is equals to DO. Okay, reason is given, right? Given in the is given in the question. Okay, so this is our third reason here. So basically, okay, going back to our diagram, we have angle, angle, side. Okay, so our concluding statement is by angle, side test, okay, triangle ODE is congruent to triangle BCE. Okay, or you can say by AAA test, triangle ODE and BCE are congruent. Okay, either ways, the language is not so technical. It's just a technical stuff. As long as it makes sense, and then you should get your marks. Just don't be long-winded. Just don't mention too much things. Okay, just conclude by this test, these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so this is how you prove triangles are congruent, which is by which is by listing down your reasons. Okay, this is the first reason, second reason, this is my third reason, and then you must have your tests. Okay, by what test? AAS test, SSS, ASA, and so on. All right. Okay, so thank you guys. I'll catch you at our next video.